You look like a shy person, and how do you do that?
I am shy.
And like that's the thing. Ubukeka njengomuntu shy. And
I think once you get on stage, man, it's like if it's something ozalwe nayo, you just go with it.
And i-signature yakho engikhumbula ngayo amapoem akho nalento ethi
oh wow. I've never heard someone say that before.
But yeah, hey, you know.
I know it. Yeah.
I see you in that. I see it, trust me. But I like it. Trust me, I like that. In a land with, damn it.
I
love that. I love that. And I mean, you are a writer, we poet, we are cula, we CEO. If you were right now, choose one out of them, what would you choose?
Damn. What? I would choose writing. Yeah, because then I can write songs for people and write films and write whatever I want to write. And then other people are going to recite it, I guess.
I had a guy last week, Obizwango Senjay. It will be painful to watch people not putting emotions on what I would write.
Yeah, I think that would be the problem, Uti. If you want it done right, do it yourself. So I think that would be the problem. Don't say it like this. And imagine people won't understand because I have my own way and my own flows, you know. So, but yeah, I would stick to writing because I can't choose between singing and reciting. Yeah.
So njengoba ushuthi waposta ke ku Twitter no kunomfana bengengaba naye lana obizwa ngoDwela. Dwela said uSjava once reached out to kuye emtshela ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe muhle. Athi immediately he went on Twitter. What, you can't believe, guys, uSjava just followed me and this is what he said. Athi uSjava wa respond. Wathi, do not ever count your chicken before the eggs hatches. Not everybody is happy for you.
Yeah, that's true. I
was like, damn.
True.
So yesterday I was asking a corner, I was like, should I write it on my status? That museum's come. But no, don't do that. What if maybe kusasa kuzovela something?
I can't make it now. Yeah, but yeah, you never know.
Yeah,
that's very true.
So I'm learning as well. But excitement sometimes, you know.
Yeah, I know
like when I in my mind I'm thinking that your first time seeing uSjava. I mean, we're talking about uSjava, Lana. And other artists, can you please just mention amanyama artists that you've worked with? Umlindo, I know that you've worked with Umlindo.
Ubuhlebendalo, Abo Josiah. Just released the song with Uyanga Chief. Yeah, and I've met even more
Uyanga Chief,
artists.
the one, what if God did it? Oh my God.
Yeah, so yeah, I've met a lot of. I feel like at this point, sing with everyone, but I've never had that excitement born in me. Angsumutu, who, yeah,
you are very humble.
I don't have that.
I'll be quite hyped. I'll be nalent.
No. I'm like, oh damn, actually. But yeah, I've never been a person or in the presence of people. I think I know myself also at the same time. Yeah, the confidence.
I love it. I love that. Yeah, but the confidence, it's fine, guys. Like, I want you to keep on wondering what I'm all about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but there are things that excite me. I think outside of meeting abantu aba famous or whatever, but there are things that excite me, like buying something new for my house or stuff like that. Those are things in time we post that like, oh, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the type of things that excite me, I guess.
Wow, you know, my late mom used to say to me, ndiyayicapukela ke lento ndiyayicapukela uba uphela unyaka ungathenganga nespoon you know. So I get what you mean.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
I think it's very important sometimes ukuthi lokho kutholayo nje buy something that izokukhumbuza ukuthi le mali iye yasuka entweni ethizeni.
Yes, those are the things that excite me. Doing stuff for myself. Yeah.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies: I cook, I play puzzles. I like games. I have Jagger. I like playing video games. I don't like reading, but I have so many books that need me to read. But yeah. But
You are in
cooking is
indoors. Umuntu wasendlini nje.
yeah. I'm always endlini. I don't go out much unless if, siyaphuma nabangani, but it's never like a groove or stuff like that. It's just like going to eat. I like food. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. And now ngifuna uku-understand how it's like, cause mina ngulo muntu nami ngayiqeda 2 weeks ngaphumela ngaphandle and angibona into wrong.
Yeah.
And now how do you take it when you have to go do something? Cause mina I drag, I think it through. I just fast forward, see me there coming back home already.
Yes, that's what happens. I think also we are getting energy. It's also the energy. But there are places that I go to and umoya wakhona doesn't feel right with me. I'm like, nah, asambe, let's go back to the house. But yeah, it happens a lot. Like but magum seventy that I'm looking forward to. Communication, yeah.
Do you see? Okay, how do I put this question? I know that as being Shilo earlier, when you start your craft, you anticipate, you plan, and all that. Do you feel you getting support as you anticipated?
I'm one person ongafuni ugu the count your chickens before
yeah.
thing. Angithandi ukuzibekela a goal or something like that. I always let things just happen the way, because I've been doing events also. I never tell myself, I always accept whatever number of people that come, but it clears the expectation. Yeah,
okay.
That's when you're not expecting anything, so that's how I live my life. Honestly, I just so everything that happens, I'm always happy. I'm like, what? They reacted like that, because I'm not expecting them to react in any way. Yeah, I try to keep expectations low as much as I can.